What's going on, y'all? Every penny counts. I just want to do a video on y'all for y'all. Two quick cash outs that I'm about to do. One on One Day Rewards and one on Bankroll Bucks. The link in the description will be of both of these. Sign up using the link. That way you get these opportunities that I'm about to show y'all. As far as making money with these sites that I do. All right. So first, you see here I'm on my Onedayrewards account. Like I said, sign up with the link. My cash right there says 196 and I have 101 points basically. So I'm going to convert my points and then cash out. All right. So first, let me go convert my points. I'm going to go over here to tools. Where's convert points at? Convert points. And it should be like a little bit under $3 when I convert it. Just going to convert the whole thing. 0.8. Convert the cash. You see my balance will jump up. My cash now is $297. So I'm going to cash that out. And if you don't know about One Day Rewards, they have one of the lowest cash outs on the internet. All right. At 10 cents minimum. All right. So I'm going to go here to withdraw cash and just show you everything they have is very low. You see, if you have AirTM, 50 cents. You know what I'm saying? They got Amazon. Look, 10 cent Bitcoin. So I got to have Bitcoin Cash, 10 cent. Cash App. I mean, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Cash App. I use Cash App all the time. You actually can get paid through Cash App. You have to have $1 minimum. That's not bad at all. Just scrolling on down to show you more things that they have. A lot of these things I don't use because I'm really here for the PayPal. You see there, 10 cent minimum for the PayPal. That's all you gotta have is 10 cents, and it takes like 10 seconds to get 10 cents on this site. It's nothing extremely difficult to do. You see they have the regular dollar cash out, all that good stuff, but 10 cent minimum, that right there, I mean, you really can't beat that. I mean, it's not many sites that are, letting you cash out lower than 10 cent. There are some, but they're not many. All right, so all I'm going to do here is cash this out. They cash out, you get your money the same day. It's not you have to wait days and nothing like that. So that's why I really like this site. It's low cash out and get it the same day. I mean, very, very easy to do. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cash this out real quick. I'm just going to type in my PayPal information real quick, and I'm going to click withdraw. And you see here, your withdrawal has been added to the pending list. All right, now, like I said, he cashes out 3 different times of the day. I can't really remember the times, but I mean, they're not like long at all. I mean, you'll really catch 1 to 3. I think it's like 1 in the morning and then 2 times in the afternoon that he cashes out. But anyway, you'll get your money the same day. That's the most important thing. All right. So I cashed out on that site. I cashed out $2.97. Now I'm going to go over here to Bankroll Bucks. All right. So Bankroll Bucks, you see here, I have $1.96. I'm going to cash that out right now as well. Just go over here to withdraw. PayPal. You see there, 196 minimum PayPal that you can cash out with. So that's basically going to give me almost $4 that I'm cashing out with. No, like $4 or $5 I got basically today, this morning. Not a lot to do it. I mean, and I'm going to go back and show you what I'm doing in order to get this money. So I'm not going to just let you leave you hanging as far as like, I'm cashing out, but I'm not showing you how I'm making the money. I'm definitely going to do that. Right at that cash out here, you see your withdrawals been added to the pending list. And the same thing with this site, you'll get paid the same day. All right, so let me go ahead and just show you what I do on this site. The first thing I do on this site in particular, I go straight to tap. Tap, you get paid 2 cents minimum, but these tap surveys, they're very easy to qualify for. And if for whatever reason, if you don't qualify for it, you're going to get 2 cents minimum. All right, that's the first thing I do. You see here, this 6 minutes, 16 Bankroll Bucks, 584. That's how many people have completed it. That's a lot of people. So that means it's a good chance that you'll get qualified for that survey too. So whenever you see a high number here, always attempt those. Even if you see a low number, attempt those too, because they might be kind of that might be a new survey they just put on there and people are getting on it. But 584, that means that survey, they're looking for a lot of people, and you got to jump on it because you never know when they'll close out the surveys. They might just need 600 people or something like that. So just whenever you see a high number, definitely try those. But at the end of the day, try all of them because you're going to get 2 cents minimum, and tap research is very easy. All right. So after I'm done with tap, I go over here to daily surveys, or I go to offers, daily surveys. And I try some of these on the daily surveys wall. You see here, you can try these daily survey. You get 50 bankroll bucks. All of these different ones that you can try. Well, matter of fact, let me show you that one. That's the one I just did this morning. Matter of fact, where did it go? Where did it go? Yeah, daily surveys, your survey ultra unlimited. I got 100 bankroll bucks. I just did that this morning because before I got onto the site this morning, I had 96 cents over from last night, and I did one of those, and that's how I got the dollar. The 100 bankroll bucks equals $1, so that's why I'm doing that. But if you just kind of play around with this daily surveys wall, you'll see all the things that they have, all the different surveys. So just play around with it, try some. Like I said, that's basically what I do. I just do your surveys and tap research on this. Also, when I'm gonna get done with that, I go over here to theorem wall. Well, I'm really not sure I pronounce that. I think it's, theorem reach wall or something like that. But I tried these as well because they give you disqualification points as well, and they're not hard to do. I mean, what I found out when doing a lot of these sites is that, the sites on the offer walls that give you disqualification points, that doesn't mean that they're hard to qualify for. So you're going to get a chance of completing the survey. And you see here what they have. Look, 4 minutes. I'll get 8 bankroll bucks, 8 minutes, 19 bankroll bucks. And these are hot surveys, you know what I'm saying? Which meaning a lot of people are getting into them. A lot of people are qualifying for them, and they're getting their money. And they will give you disqualification points on this wall as well. Okay. So now that's why I'm doing bankroll bucks. That's how I get my money with that each and every day. All right. So now I'm gonna go back over to One Day Rewards and show you what I do here. Same process. I jump right over to tap. Tap, you get disqualification points as well. If I go over here to offer walls at the top, all the different offer walls they have, I go straight to tap. I try those, tap research, just like in bankroll bucks. I do the same thing. It might take a little minute to load on this site for whatever reason. My computer's kind of slow, but you see here, all these I try, all of these different ones. You see, you remember that on that bankroll bucks, that site, that survey that was looking for a lot of people, 584, it's on here as well. But you see here, they give you less points. But the good thing about it is sometimes you can complete it on both sites. So if it's still here, definitely try it because you already know what they're looking for in a survey because you've already completed it. So, same routine, what I'm saying, rinse and repeat. Whatever you do on one site, go to the other site, go to the next site and do it as well. You see here, look, see how many people have completed the survey? That means a lot of people are completing. That means pretty much everybody's getting qualified for it. So you got to try that real quick. It's not hard to do at all. Here's another one with a lot of people. Look, 12 minutes, 14 bankroll bucks, 133 people. Lots of surveys on right now where they're looking for a lot of people. So you got to jump on it and get involved with it. All right. So on this site, when I'm done with tap, I go back over to offer walls at the top. And I try some of these other offer walls that they have. They have lots of different ones. So you can just basically pick which one that fits you. Lots of new ones are added from time to time. So that's what's important on this. I go over here to surveys. And it'll show me different surveys that they have that I try to complete as well. You see here, reward survey express, 33 points. Opinion samp, 60 points. Survey time, 50 points. Sampleicious, 55. Sample cube, 120. That's all you got to do, man. Just try these surveys. They have lots of different survey walls that you can try, lots of different survey opportunities. It's a lot of money in this site, so you got to get up on it. So, I just want to make this video, fairly short. I know it wasn't short as I wanted it to be, but I just want to show you what I do on both of these sites and show you a little bit of cash out proof because I cash out with these sites all the time. And I forgot to cash out last night. So I was like, let me just do it this morning. And, why not to show a video to you guys and show you that they're still paying. So the link to these sites will both be in the description. Sign up. That way you get the same opportunities that I'm getting with these sites and you can make money. Remember, they have low cash out thresholds. One Day Rewards, 10-cent minimum. Bankroll bucks is $1 minimum. They're not hard to get. You can make that every single day. You can cash out multiple times a day. You can really make a lot of money using these sites. So I encourage you to get up on it. All right. So that's all I wanted to show you. Sign up today. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff because I have lots of videos showing you guys how to make free money online each and every day. So you're constantly putting money in your PayPal account. So that's all I want you guys to do. Just really get in tune with my channel, hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop new videos, because I'm dropping them all the time, whether I'm showing you a new site or I'm showing you cash out videos or tutorials or whatever. I'm always showing you guys just helpful ways, just basically to make free money and put money in your pocket. That's all I'm about. All right. So you can do exactly what I do, because I'm not doing anything that's extremely hard. Everything is simple, and I'm showing you step by step what I'm doing to get money and showing you proof that it's there. All right. So sign up today. Links in the description to both sites. And remember, every penny counts.